What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got a failure to find a good cameraman, so bear with me on the videos because it's clippy and it's not one of those just chase the guy around. We've got a 310Z, Dynaport pipe, billet stator cover, V-Force 3 reeds, Elka shock, Sawyer custom inverts with CRF 450 forks, Dura blue rear end, billet sprocket holder, tank's still underneath the seat, fuel pump, pumper carb is junk, so its top end is gurgly at best. Waiting on a new carburetor for it. Other than that, she runs good. Pulls hard, suspension's amazing. Now if we could get a cameraman to follow me around the track instead of just giving us clips, it'd be really nice, but it is what it is. Enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Likes, views. Watch the videos all the way through. Never know what I throw in the end, so you don't want to miss that. Other than that, enjoy the video. Enjoy the ripping, and y'all have a great day. This Dave's about to bust my balls.
Electron, right?
No.
Huh?
No.
Make sure you gotta put that part in the video too. Make sure I get electron for it, right?
Not a damn bit. Nope. Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
Everybody runs electrons. They're top of the line best.
Fuck them.
Huh?
Fuck them.
You're self-adjusting, Randy.
Nope. Yeah, okay.
You want to go in